Hello, Hard Reset here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any problems and failures with your Headspace app on the iOS. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the App Store, go to find your app, Headspace, right there, take your app, and you want to see if you have the newest version updated. If you have the available update always pop out here. When I have the open bar, there should be update bar, but if you have, like me, the newest version and still got some issues and problems, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is going to the settings, all the way down, go apps, Headspace, you want to find your app right there, and you want to set every single setting on default, like Siri, everything on, search, everything on, background app refresh on, language doesn't matter, and everything here also doesn't matter. So after you do this, there shouldn't be more failures. But if you have still some issues, I'm gonna show you last way. The last way is just you take your Headspace app, remove the app, uninstall the app, go back to the App Store, and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be alright. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.